Hello, hi, welcome back to Excel Daily Dose, Advanced Functions, Day 3, Countif. Myself, Dayanand, with the Learn and Earn YouTube channel. So, Day 3, Countif. Take a scenario where we got a situation to count how many items of particular thing. Say, I would like to count how many physics items are here in this table, right? Uh, for our learning purpose, I have taken a small table. It could be even the entire column. It could be even lags together. You can apply the same formula. So I would like to know how many items are physics. So very similar to what we learned in SUMIF. So this again does count instead of sum. It will do count if the range matches certain criteria. If you remember on our day 2, we learned SUMIF, which requires three arguments. Number one, the range for the criteria. Number two, the criteria itself. Number three, the range for the summation. But COUNTIF only requires two arguments. Number one is the range. Number two is the criteria. Now, this is the range I would like to check, and the criteria is physics. Whichever matches this physics word should be counted. Now remember, you shouldn't be using any is equal to symbol or greater than, less than symbol like how you use in if condition. You just have to supply the word or the criteria. If it is a text, just use them in quotes. Yes, if you are going to use a number to do a count if more than or greater than, then you may use greater than symbol on that. I'll show you that too, right? So this shows there are three items which are physics, right? There are three items which are physics. 1, 2, 3. Now take another scenario where I would like to count any marks above 50. Above 50. Okay. Only count, not summation. Right. Now use the same formula, count if. This is the range. And here you can use a greater than symbol and then put the number. But again, you must wrap them with the double quotes, both the sides, right? So this shows there are two items above 50. There are one which is 80, another one 60. Now 50 will not be considered because the criteria says only more than 50. If it was more than or equal to 50, it says three items including 50. So wide application of COUNTIF when there are multiple criterias are there, you can use when you would like to learn, you would like to calculate how many items are of X category, how many items are of Y category, that you can certainly do. For example, say I would like to know how many maths and how many physics. Likewise, I have say 10 numbers are there. Use COUNTIF. This one I will show with the cell reference like this. So COUNTIF, again select the range and take the cell reference, right? So likewise you can do count based on certain criteria. So this is all for today under COUNTIF subject. And yes, so continue to learn daily and go slowly and steadily. Okay, so daily dose, a daily one formula with your Dayanand with Learn and Earn YouTube channel. Thank you and subscribe for more videos.